this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on voice chat here in GTA 5 Online. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do is either hit start on your controller or escape on your keyboard to open up the menu, and what you're going to want to do next is actually navigate over to your settings first. Once you're in your settings, what you're going to want to do is select it and scroll down until you see the option for voice chat. Go ahead and select that, and in this section you're going to see a few different sections. In the first thing, go ahead and just make sure your voice chat is enabled. For the output device, go ahead and make sure that it is set to your actual, headphones, whatever your audio usually goes through. For the voice chat volume, go ahead and turn it up. You can adjust these ones as well if you would like, but for the talking section, make sure that you have microphone enabled. For your input device, go ahead and make sure that you have it set to, whatever your standard device is. So mine would be, where is it at? This microphone right here. For the voice chat mode, you could change it to whatever you'd like. I just like to keep it on voice activated. For microphone volume, go ahead and take this up a little bit as well. After you do that, you can back out of this section and you'll be good to go. However, we're not done yet. You're going to want to go ahead and open up the interaction menu next and actually scroll down until you see a specific tab for preferences and open it up. In this section, if you scroll down again, you're going to see a voice chat option. Go ahead and set this to everyone or crew or friends or crew and friends. Just make sure it's set to anything but no one. You don't want it on no one, otherwise this will not work. After you set it to everyone, you'll be good to go, and it really is as simple as that. You're not going to have voice chat on here in GTA 5. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.